Hi everyone. So today I wanted to go ahead and show you a quick and easy recipe for making strawberry milk. You make your powder out of freeze-dried strawberries and some sugar. So in here I have 1.2 ounces of freeze-dried strawberries, and I placed 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then I went ahead and mixed it in my blender and for about 60. Then I went ahead and put it in my blender for 1 minute. Now, you can actually blend it a little longer if you want to get rid of the little chunks. Um, but when you make your strawberry milk, which I have some right here, as you can see, it will leave little chunks of strawberry inside your milk, very tiny. But if you want it to be a little more finer, you can go ahead and blend it for a little longer. And if you think that you want a little more sugar, if you prefer it a little sweeter, I should say, go ahead and add a little more sugar if you like, okay? But this is a healthier alternative to strawberry Nesquick. Your color of the milk, which turns to nice pinkish, comes straight from your strawberries. So no dyes, no preservatives, nothing. And it tastes great. Now, what you want to do to store it is you do want to put it in an airtight jar and store it in a glass jar, preferably. But an airtight container is perfect. And you can leave it out because it's basically freeze-dried strawberries and sugar. Now in here, what I did was 1 cup of milk, which is 8 ounces, and 2 tablespoons of our powder mixture. And it gives it a nice flavor. I find the sweetness to be perfect. But like I said, if you prefer it a little sweeter, go ahead and add a little more sugar. If you go ahead and try my recipe, let me know how you liked it. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, always made with love.